All right, guys, so first things first, we're gonna get this fender pulled off here. From videos that I've watched online, I know that there's a bolt that's in here. You gotta open the door to get to it. And then there's 2 bolts that are underneath there. And then there's some that are here, which all of these have been broken due to the accident. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get that removed, guys. I think this one got a little bent. There she goes. We're almost off. Okay guys, so we have to turn the wheel on the car to the left in order to get access to this bolt down here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I believe we have to take off this whole side skirt in order to get to the bottom bolt on the bottom of that fender. That's the only one we have left. We've actually removed all the bolts. Like I said, all those inside ones were broken, but everything's been removed other than the bolt that's down there. So we're gonna get to doing that now, guys. All right, guys, I got my son Paxton out here helping me. Say what's up, Pax.
What's up?
We just removed the fender liner. Man, there was literally, I wanna say like, what? 10 bolts, 12 bolts? I don't know, we lost count, man. There was a ton of bolts. I could show you them all here on the ground. But yeah, we got all those removed and yeah, we're moving on. About to get this fender removed. You can kind of see in there and see everything. See more of the carnage. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we got major progress. We got that fender removed off the car. But yeah, not sure if the lighting is the best in here. I do apologize. But we are knocking stuff out here, guys. We didn't take off the side skirt. We actually just cut that bracket down there on the bottom, like where it mounts on the fender there. You can see we just kind of sliced it, got a little cut in it, and then pulled away, and boom, it came right off. But yeah, guys, just a few little things that I've noticed here on the car. We have a bent tab that is there. We had some brackets that pulled out from the actual, like the subframe in the front here. But yeah, that should be really easily taken care of with some, as Matt Armstrong would say, rev nuts. But we're gonna put some, basically some threaded, I think we call them Healy coils in our neck of the woods. But yeah, we're gonna put some of those in there. We're gonna get this piece fixed up here, back in place, like I mentioned earlier. But yeah, guys, we are making progress here. Just figured I'd give you guys an update. Paxton's over there. We're about to hit the bed and we'll see you guys tomorrow.